Yes, long time, long time. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to everyone who is watching wherever you are. Yes, thank you so much for watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome back to our channel. And I always tell you that this channel is the most with different types of hairstyles, and I always make sure that I give you different types of hairstyles. So today we're going to see something that is very, very simple for the kid, and I would like you to give me your opinion because when it comes to soft kinky, that is the afro kinky, I know most of you guys know how light it is, and but still, like I've been teaching about it, is that whenever you plait it badly, it might lead to the breakage of your hair. But it is the most hair extension that is very, very favorable for our weak hairline. And trust me, if you use it well for your weak hairline, you will have to your hair will grow very, very well. So this time around, I'm thinking of doing something that is very simple and quick for her, and something that I know it will always it looks natural. Yes, so let go with me so that we can do this together. Yes, this is the afro kinky. This is the afro kinky. For those ones who have got the mali kinky, you can also use that. And this is for the darling hair company, so you can see how it looks. So when I bring it, I'm just going to come and I use my inwards knotless, and I always tell you that this is the best method ever because the hair grows from inside. Yes, it is not like the knotless. This one grows from inside, so it lasts longer than other methods. So you should always try to learn how to do this. And I've been teaching people on how to do this kind of this method. And just, if you want to learn more about it, you can have the course, and that is in on our website, and that is www.hairbyclippers.com. The link is in the description below. You can go right there, click on it, it will take you through and all courses, and you learn online, very detailed for you on how to do this kind of this method. It is very, very nice, mostly to those ones with weak hairlines, and those ones who would need their braids to last longer. So while you're plaiting this kinky, you just have to make sure that your hands are very gentle. You don't have to make it tight. You have to make it as soft as possible, because we all know that kinky, it always it can whenever it is with natural hair, there's the way it blends very well with the natural hair. So you don't need to make it too tight. You can always plait it softly, and when it is already firm. So that is how you can always do it. I'm going to try to do something long, but this is what I've been teaching you guys on how to do these braids. That whenever you add a lot of braids on someone, it makes it becomes uncomfortable, and you find someone cannot hold it very well as they're going to sleep or even style it. So the more they put a lot of tension on while they're styling it, it breaks the hairlines mostly in front. So now for the kid, we're just going to make sure, I'm going to make sure that I put a few of them. At least they're not supposed to exceed 15, or even they're not supposed to exceed 12 braids. So if you're doing it, I don't know the size of the kid, but at least it shouldn't exceed 15 braids. You understand? There should be around there so that it can stay soft, very light, and very easy to style as a kid. So as you're going to be saying it, please let me know where you're watching me from, and you can always go right in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from. I always feel happy whenever I'm chatting with you guys. Yes, whenever I know that there's some people who are very, very far from me, and these videos still reach them. And don't forget to like the video. Yes, liking the video, and you can always ask anything that you feel like about this hairstyle or even others, and I'll be right there to answer you as soon as possible. So let's get through and do this together and see how it is going to look like.
Oh, no, no, no. Katonzi around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah. Yeah. Crochet master. Liko loving, oyagala kola kavidi oshanane. Hey, you need some liko pampering. Domukono mukugo gumanyiche kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamo vidi kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, ewa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, jangu. Crochet. Morris. Crochet master. Number one. We're totally not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Banobeba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujemviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them masters, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Tolina chongamba. Hair by clippers fire. Oh na na. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba. Tolina, yeah. A number one project master, Morris. Oyagala okuyiga enviiri, oyagala okusoma enviiri, oyagala okusiba enviiri. Ona jangu tuyiga enviiri, jangu tusome enviiri, jangu tusibe enviiri. Asomesa emisono gyonna, nakuwa obukugu bwonna, nakuwa obukodyo bwonna. Morris. Asomesa emisono gyonna, nakuwa obukugu bwonna, nakuwa obukodyo bwonna. Morris, hey, jangu tuyige ne Morris, jangu tuyige ne Morris, jangu tuyige ne Morris, jangu tuyige.
Yes, like as I said, I don't want to add a lot of braids on her head. I still want it to look soft and very light for her, to be comfortable for her. When she can always roll it upwards, and she can always still leave it free when it is very soft. I'm talking to those ones who know how kinky is like, because when you see it from far, you may think it is heavy, but to those ones who have ever done kinky and it is not overpacked, they can really tell. So this is what I got for you, but please always make sure that you don't go without liking the video, and please, you can always go right in the comment section, tell me where you're watching this video from, and I'm always there to reply you. Still, if you have any question that you can ask, you can always drop it there. The link is in the description, so you can go and follow our courses, and there we are good to go. See how soft it is? I love it already, and they're not many, like as I told you, so you can see how amazing it looks. Let me sign out. May God bless you all. Bye-bye.
For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, we love you, we say thank you. Yeah.